Understanding the phrase, damn good, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, damn good. This is a phrase you might have heard quite often in English conversations, movies, or TV shows. So, what does it really mean? Let's break it down together. The phrase, damn good, is a slang expression used to emphasize how excellent or impressive something or someone is. When we say something is damn good, we are expressing a high level of approval or admiration. It's important to note that the word damn, in this context, is used as an intensifier to stress how good something is, rather than its literal meaning, which can be a curse word. You can use damn good in informal settings, such as when you're talking with friends or in casual conversations. However, it's not appropriate for formal situations. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use it. That was a damn good movie. She did a damn good job on that project. This is some damn good pizza. In each of these examples, the speaker is expressing strong approval of the movie, the job done, or the pizza. There are variations of damn good that you might also come across. For example, pretty damn good. This phrase is used in a similar way to damn good, but with a slight reduction in intensity. Not damn good. This phrase is used to express disapproval or dissatisfaction, indicating that something is not good at all. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, damn good, for you. Remember, while it's a common and expressive way to show approval in informal settings, it's best to avoid it in more formal or professional contexts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a great day.